we just followed the trail the entire time, we'd still be out in this. We'd be just getting back to the base trail. So we're headed up into the Rattlesnake to go move the trail cam and just take a nice little hike. We'll be doing a picnic later. So we just made it to the top of the ridge. It's a nice warm day out. It's really nice to be out hiking. So that is where we're headed, that way, to Curry Gulch. That's where we came from, Sawmill Gulch. Here's some good bear sign. We're keeping our voices down so we can see a bear. I know that's the opposite of what they normally tell you to do, but I want to see one. Oh, not the best trail ever. You're gonna set up on that tree, right there. It's a good spot. Gets a good view that way. So, time to set it up. We just got back to our car. We had to sprint the entire way back because of a thunderstorm and a rainstorm that were chasing us down. So, we're somewhat dry. Running in hiking boots is not very fun. We had to do a lot of cutting out of the trail so we could beat the thunderstorm back because I didn't want it to be turned into a fried crispy treat. Wouldn't be fun. If we just followed the trail the entire time, we'd still be out in this. We'd be just getting back to the base trail.
I wonder if we've been that.
So, yeah, it is. So I hooked into a really big one, like an 18 to 20 incher, and it snapped my line because I didn't have my drag out far enough. And I lost my lure. What? And I'm not hooked into anything since then. So I hope to get a fish. So yeah, we didn't get anything today. Unsuccessful fishing trip, but still a lot of fun figuring out where the new holes are and everything. And the sun is setting, and I'm signing off.
I didn't get any fish, camera.
Nope. I hooked into a big one, but I couldn't get it in. What was your first fish's name?
I don't know.
Was it Connor?
It's a spider.
A spider.